This is Andre Banks coming to you from Banks Credit Chat. Today, talking to you about collection accounts. And what do you do if you want to actually repair your credit report and you know there's some collection accounts on your credit report and you want to be able to handle it? So, most people will think about going to a credit repair company. And credit repair companies, I'm going to give you the one that's most utilized is Lexington Law. Now, I did a video in the past with my brother about why we do not believe they're an efficient source to repair your credit, especially dealing with collection accounts, because of what you can do on your own. But in the case that you don't want to go through all the hassle and try to find them and deal with that aspect, I'm going to recommend a strategy of utilizing a debt management company to actually help take care of those collection accounts instead of using a credit repair company that does not actually focus on paying off the particular collection account and taking care of the debt. The reason why I'm stressing this is because essentially, if you really want to repair your credit, you're going to have to tackle some collection accounts. Now, depending on how far they are in or how long ago, and you can define that out by going to annualcreditreport.com and actually pulling up your credit reports from all three credit bureaus and seeing which collection account and seeing the date that they were actually enacted. If they're going to fall off your credit report, because usually things stay on for 7 years, then don't worry about it. But if these are fresh collection accounts and they have at that point, you might as well start tackling them. And the best way to go about doing that is using a debt management company. Now, I'm going to be biased here. I'm going to talk about when I used to work at ClearPoint, which then became Money Management International. And I'm assuming, again, I haven't been there in a little while, but I worked there for 5 years. One of the ways we would handle these collection accounts is that a debt management company, again, I'm using Money Management International, would actually pull the credit report and find out the name of the particular creditor. And if more than likely, that we would have a relationship with that collection account. And setting up on a debt management program allows you to pay that particular collection account, not taking less than what they actually owe, paying that full amount that's owed on that debt, and you're getting it off your credit report in a particular time because you're doing that with a number of different collection accounts. So I'll give we have 3 or 4 different collection accounts over there, and more than likely the debt management company has a relationship with some of these collection accounts, and they're able to pay the particular creditor at a fixed amount that's actually more affordable than trying to do it on your own. Because sometimes collection accounts they'll say, well, we only could do 2 payments or 3 payments. A debt management company usually builds a better rapport and relationship, allows them to pay a much smaller amount over a period of time and allows you to pay that debt off. So I'm going to say that is the best strategy to use when you're going to pay off collection accounts and not utilize a credit repair company, which I've talked about in the videos in the past, where they just flood the particular credit account, collection account, with a letter stating that and disputing the terms and disputing the debt in itself, which then has a tendency, if it's a legitimate debt, it will come back to bite you and show up on your credit report again. Utilizing a debt management company, a reputable one, preferably a nonprofit. And again, I'm talking about Money Management International, but there's other ones that's out there that allows you to pull your credit report. They look at a holistic approach. They'll look and most likely they'll have at least some relationships with these collection accounts, and they allows you to pay the whole particular debt off just at a smaller fixed amount over a period of time. And that shows as a better effort to repair your credit and get rid of the collection accounts by paying 100% of the debt. I believe by far, if you're looking to pay your collection accounts and not sure of how to go about doing that, and you're thinking of utilizing a credit repair company, don't. Look for a nonprofit. You could do a quick Google search. I'm going to talk about Money Management International because I know that when I was a credit counselor there, this is a strategy that we actually did, and we had relationships with a number of collection accounts and was able to pay those particular debts, particular consumers who were looking to pay collection accounts, but sometimes they might have 5 or 6 or 7 and they're just not sure how to go about it. A debt management company will assist you in that point to pay those collection accounts, get it off your credit report in a period of time, making a more affordable payment. So if you're thinking of taking the collection accounts and taking a real stab of getting your credit report back to par, increasing your credit score, and you're looking to really do the right thing, then consider your debt management company, which will allow you to tackle those collection accounts, and you'll pay that debt off, and you'll get your credit report and your credit score in a much better standing. This video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments, hit the like button. Until our next video, I'm out.